My name is Najwa Aliasya Fitri, NIM 2301060001, kelas 5A. Understanding the concept of mathematical function. Learning objectivitas. 1. Through the program basic learning model with discussion and question and answer, students can define function correctly. 2. Through the program basic learning model with discussion and question and answers, students can determine the domain, codomain, and range of a function correctly. 3. Through the program basic learning model with discussion and question and answer, students can solve a problem related to function by using various representations appropriately. Definition of function. A function is a special relation that binds each member of the subset domain with exactly one member of the destination set codomain. Like a machine that processes input domain producing one output range, there must be no member of the domain that is unpaired or has more than one branch. Function and non-function. A relation is called a function if every member of the domain has a single counterpart in the codomain. If any member of the domain has more than one counterpart, then it is not a function. Anatomy of function. Every function has three main components that must be understood: domain, codomain, and range. 1. Domain. The domain or region of origin is all members of the original set. The domain of the function above is the set EBC. 2. Codomain. The codomain or friend region is all members of the target set, whether paired with members of the domain or not. The codomain of the function above is the set B, P, Q, R, S. 3. Range. The range or result area is all members of the target set paired with members of the domain. The range of the function above is Qr. Type of function based on mapping properties. Based on how domain elements are mapping to codomain, function can be classified into several types, namely: 1. An injective function is a function in which each member of the domain origin region is mapping to a different member of the codomain friend region, meaning that no two different members of the domain produce the same output. 2. A surjective function is a type of function in which every element in the codomain must have a partner, namely at least one element from the original domain that maps it. 3. A bijective function, often called a one-to-one correspondence, is a function that satisfies the injective one-to-one and surjective onto properties, meaning that each member of the original seed domain is paired exactly with one member of the target seed codomain, and all members of the codomain have a pair so that no member of the domain or codomain is left over or branching off. Type of function based on graph symmetry. Apart from mapping properties, functions can also be categorized based on the symmetry of their graphs, namely 1. Even function. An even function is a function whose graph is symmetrical about the axis. This means that the function values for x and min x are the same. 2. Odd function. An odd function is a function whose graph is symmetric about the origin 0, 0. The value of the function for min x is the negative of the value of the function for x. Operation on function. Just like number, function can also be operated on. The two most common operations are composition and inverse. 1. Composition function. A composition function is the combination of two or more functions into a new function through the process of substitution, where the result of one function becomes the input for the next function. 2. Inverse function. An inverse function is the opposite function of the original function, where if function v maps x to y, then its inverse function will map y back to x, like reversing the process, and only exists if the original function is a bijective one-to-one function, meaning that each member of the domain has a unique counterpart in the codomain. Function and non-function. A relation is called a function if every member of the domain has a single counterpart in the codomain. If any member of the domain has more than one counterpart, then it is not a function. Function notation. Functions are usually written with the notation f a r b with the mapping rule fx, which describes how each x in A is mapped to B. Function graph. Function can be graphed in the coordinate plane. Each point x, fx represents a pair of domains and mapping ratios of the function. Application of function in real life and learning. As a prospective teacher, being able to provide relevant examples will greatly help students understand the material. Here are some real-life applications of function in learning. 1. Civil engineering. Quadratic parabolic functions are used to design cable-shaped wire suspension bridges to ensure uniform stress distribution. Functions are also used to analyze material strength and model loads on building structure. 2. Biology. Exponential functions are used to model the growth of bacterial populations or the spread of viruses. Their more complex logistic functions provide a more realistic model by taking into account ratio contrast. 3. Chemistry. The acidity or pH of a solution is measured using a logarithmic function. The rate of a chemical reaction is often a function of the concentration of the reactant and the temperature. Radioactive decay is also modeled using an exponential function. 4. Physics. Functions are used to model the motion of objects. The position of an object can be expressed as a function of time. 5. Economic. The relationship between demand and the price of goods can be modeled using a demand function. In learning, function teach students about pattern, cause and effect relationship, and how to mathematically model the world around them. They serve as a bridge connection abstract mathematics with concrete practical application. Condition for a relation to be said to be a function. 3 are two conditions for a relation to be called a function, namely 1. No domain member can be unpaired. This means that all domain members must have a pair. 2. There cannot be more than one pair of domain member or branches.